directions, and we're going to go look in the deer cabin, do some other things with the deer feeder, and show you some stuff that we do out here in Arkansas. Let's go. Ew, what? The deer tooth. Cool. Hi. Hi. Well, over here, as you can see, we're like kind of taking the deer feeder. Okay, now you're... Okay, let's go over here where this deer feeder is. Please do not zoom in because it's taking up. This is where this deer feeder is. I have no idea what this is. Please don't step on a snake. What snake? Oh yeah, there's no snake in this season. Duh. What the heck? What is this? I don't know. It's a deer feeder. Okay. Homemade deer feeder? Homemade deer feeder. Okay. This somebody already knows, Mykala, is a deer feeder too. Yes. When the deer turn this, it dips it. They turn it with their tongues. Yeah, but... Oh, crap. I do it. It's not turning. Well, anyways, when you turn it, it has a stuff in it that they... That is when you do something. Which we don't need a key to get in. Wait, it does need a key to get in. Wait, it's on pause. No, it's not. Oh, no, it's not. What? What? Oh, okay. Hi. What? There's a latch on that button too. What? So let's hit the button. Well, come on guys. We're going to have feet, so we might have to scooch in. Don't stand. I said there might be, I didn't know. Okay. Right here we have snacks. Any kind of snack you can have. Peanut Snicker bars. Yeah, peanut Snicker bars. And Miller wafers and everything. But here we have the drinks and the refreshments. They're all over here. And then over here we have something he likes. Well, on this thing he usually has a CD player you can listen to and everything. And come on, you gotta click the room. And here he has a watch. To tell what time it is. Down the second. I have no idea what this is. These are glasses. Where he keeps his glasses. You can just sit down right there, maybe. We have to have a refreshment while we're in here. No, we don't. Okay, here's how we open the calendar. Window. It's the calendar. Yes, we have to open the window. Here's, see, you can kind of open this and look at it. And if you need to shoot anything, you have to put your deer thing out here. No, bam! Bam! A heater, just in case it's cold. Okay, I'm getting hot. Let's take our things off. We have both sides, either this side or this side. Yes. And some Ziploc bags or something. We have a radio. Oh, here's the radio. We have binoculars, which are in here. This is a deer pole. A deer drum, actually. which I'm going to try out. Ready, guys? To watch. I don't know why. Because he's coming. We don't want to go in here. A moth. A moth, poor little moth. Don't tell him. It's hot in here. Okay, we're gonna be 5 minutes. Can everybody see out the window? Look in there and see if they can. Yeah. Okay. He's going over to the other desk, guys. Okay, ready? Here's the deer call. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for that. Okay. Binoculars. Oh, a bow, just in case he has his bow and arrow. Which he doesn't. No. I don't know what that little contraption is. Move, sit right here. Okay, I will show you what this contraption does. That's also a seat. We'll have to move this here. And this. Okay. Here's how you do it. Take it. You have to pull it up. What is it? A tray where he can put his food? Maybe. You have to do this. Watch it. It's a tray where you put your food or an office to wait for the deer. You can color. You can play with your cell phone. You can look at your pictures. Anything. Got a picture of a nice deer there. He likes to look at deer. Oh. Are we hot? Yes, very. Do we want to open the window? I don't care. Okay, look. Oh, a pen. Nice little contraption for a pen. Yeah, that's what he does with all the things. Can you please move? I think these are bullets. Yes, they're to hold bullets. Is he taking this stuff? There's someone opening. I'm hungry. I did not have a big breakfast. Oh my gosh, Ryan, you're really going to eat that food? It's food. That could be old food. He buys it and new stuff. He bought new stuff. You don't even know this guy, do you? It's my grandpa. Oh, I did it. Oh, so... This is my grandpa's cabin, Dumbo. Oh, I didn't know that. I thought it was your, he made this. Oh, I thought it was that one dude. Donnie? Yeah. Really? Donnie has his own. Oh. Gosh, Mykala. Gosh! Oh, this must be a little contraption for bags. Mm-hmm. Okay, we either have Oreo cake, which I'm going to have. What, you want anything? I don't know. Let me look. There's Oreo cake, 3 Musketeers. What the heck is that? Tulip! No wonder. Yeah, I guess. You're going to wonder what happened to your stuff. But Mykala, you didn't know. She didn't even know. Here's what we're having. Oreo cakesters. Yummy. Okay, we'll get back to you. I wonder what this little contraption's for. I know. But we'll get back to you on part 2 of deer hunting. Bye!